Hi, my name is Filipe, and I'm the CEO of Sagwee. What do you think is the biggest killer in the United States? According to the CDC, traffic accidents are the main cause of death in America for people aged 1 to 54. It kills more than heart disease, diabetes, or anything else you can imagine. Well, that's where Sagwee comes in. Sagwee is working on a software and hardware solution to improve safety on the road by using a smart and eco-friendly technology. We are doing that by placing an autonomous system self-powered by natural resources that can detect and notify road users about possible hazards on their way. Sagwee uses advanced sensors that do not require internet connection. This way, we ensure that you are also helping those who commute in remote areas. With many fatalities happening every single minute, the US traffic death rate is the highest in nearly a century. The future is using Sagwee to save millions of lives that are lost every year. Check out sagwee.com to learn more. Thank you.